Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN, link in the description below to stay safe online. Today we're reviewing Crayo A.I, an all-in-one AI tool that promises to help you with writing, blogs, social posts, emails, and even generating images, all in a few clicks. But is it actually useful? Or just another generic AI wrapper? Now, Crayo's interface is simple and it's clean. You choose a content type, you just say a blog post or Instagram caption, then enter a few keywords or a short brief. Within a few seconds, it spits out usable content. It also offers templates, tone settings, and built-in image generation using AI art tools. The pros, it's very beginner-friendly. If you're overwhelmed by ChatGPT or Jasper, Crayo feels more guided. It's good for quick drafts, social captions, and idea generation. And the lifetime deal floating around makes it attractive for budget users. Now, the downsides, the writing can feel robotic unless you heavily edit it. Long-form content lacks nuance, and while it supports multiple languages, it's not really ideal for professional-grade copywriting or technical writing. Also, image generation is basic. Don't expect mid-journey level results. Bottom line, Crayo is solid for light content creation, brainstorming, or saving time on short-form writing. But if you need depth, creativity, or content that truly stands out, you'll still have to do the heavy lifting. Let me know if you've tried Crayo in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this.